video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Monopoly Go notifications. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have installed the Monopoly Go app. First, find the Monopoly Go app on your phone. On the Android phone, it is usually listed in the Gaming Hub zone. So open up the Gaming Hub. Here you can see the Monopoly Go app. You just need to tap and hold on this app icon. You can see a little pop-up. Beside the name of the app, you can see the little information icon. Tap on it. It will take you to the app info page. Now, in order to turn off the Monopoly Go notifications, over here you can see the notifications option. Tap on it. Currently, the notifications are allowed. You can disable the notifications. You just simply need to tap on this toggle icon. And there you go. The notifications are blocked from this app now. You won't be receiving any notifications from this particular app now on. So that's how you can easily turn off the Monopoly Go notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.